today, yay. All right, let me stop for y'all be like, this bitch. I have this wig for y'all, and it is the Butta lace collection, and it is unit, there my dumbass, unit 18. Like, it's longer than I thought, honestly, but anyways, supposed to have HD lace on it. I'm just messing it up now. The part looks amazing. This looks so good to be a synthetic wig. And as you can see, I already braided my hair down. They're not like the most cleanest cornrows, but it's something. Sorry if you can like hear my air or whatever, because it do be pretty loud. I have a new, it's not really a new method. It's not a new method at all, because obviously, as y'all will be able to see, people have done this on YouTube plenty of times. And I'm definitely not satisfied with my lighting right now. And my next video, I'm gonna make sure it's better. And I'll make sure I have like a different setup too as well. I'm just trying to get some videos out there as of right now, so I'm not just like making up excuses on why I can't post. Pretty sure I seen this one with the stocking cap instead of the like the actual cap, because these are like way thinner. And I don't know if you can tell. Let me pick up my camera. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like super thin. But honestly, I feel like I already have enough wig videos for y'all to see what my process is. But still, I want to make better ones, because my first videos, I was all shy, whispering in the camera. But now, I don't know, I just want to make better ones. So, I think mine got to be glued. Go ahead on my head, and I'm just gonna literally put this on my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and tie a knot. So I'm gonna twist this, so it's like really tiny, as you see. Put this one over my ears for one. Let's do that. Let's cut my little holes out. So let's cut the holes. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what we're working with right now. So what it's supposed to look like. Boom, boom, boom. But cut it off and pow. It's magic. Taking some 90% alcohol. As you know, I'm pretty sure y'all know these steps, honey, but I'm trying this wig, baby. It ain't even gonna look synthetic once I put it on. Take some alcohol. I have a paper towel here. I'm just gonna clean my forehead off. Clean my forehead, clean my forehead. Boom. I do got this Esh glue. Now, mind you, I done had this for a minute. I honestly do not like this glue that much. I really don't, but I just have not bought a new one because I have not been wearing wigs lately. I'm gonna create a little small line on the perimeter of my edges. This hair toothbrush that I don't use, and I'm just gonna go ahead and first of all, let me get on my knees so y'all can see this, because yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. I'm gonna press that into my skin, this little line that I'm creating. As you can see, it's like right there on my hairline, but it's not necessarily on the hair. So I'm gonna keep doing that all the way. Keep doing this all the way around my perimeter. Okay, so now so basically I went ahead and just cut off my the excess after it dried, and then the little pieces that did curl back up, which there was like just a little bit, like maybe right here and right here, as you can see. I just took some got to be glued, the yellow from the yellow bottle, and I just put just a little tad bit on there. Don't put a lot because it'll make it longer to dry. So I should have did my wig right here because I feel like it's better lighting. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of work on here, and I don't like to cake it too much up on the front like hairline. I really don't. I just like it to where that that kind of like white cast is gone. So that's really what I like to do. It doesn't have to be, let me get this on my forehead. It doesn't have to be nothing super duper uber perfect. Honestly, I mean, this wig fits like any other, actually, let me not say that. Let me try this on before I get to talking about the wig. This is what it's giving. Like, ain't that, hold on. Let me go over to, because girl, that's not, it's giving like real. It's giving like, this is it. put the makeup on there. And this one actually is not bad for like head size, because usually when I get synthetic wigs, girl, they do not fit my head. Oh, I'm back. Going right here, stick right there. Do the same for this side. Cut off this right here. Cut off that. And then where I'm cutting that, let me not do the same mistake that I just made on the other side. So when I'm cutting that, basically I'm cutting like the actual wig because it doesn't fit my fucking head. So go up in there and I'm cutting the elastic piece. And be careful because you don't want to chop any hair off like I'm doing right now. I'm cutting the elastic piece and up on the wig. So now that is now, booyah. That is now stretching out, honey. It's not on my ear no more. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue like literally right here, just the outlining where my thing is at. Take this like 2 layers. I'm not gonna do 3 because it is like dumbass. It's fucking hot out here. Try to push it with the one, but it is pretty strong glue. So you know, 2 layers, but I'm gonna still do 2 layers just for the extra security. This is not the best area, so I'm gonna have to switch it up. So please bear with me in this video, and thank y'all again for supporting. But yeah, this is the first layer. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, so I went ahead and did the second layer off camera. I'm ready to go ahead and record that. So it's now sticky. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pull it to the hairline where I wanted to stop at. So I wanted to stop about right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that to there, stick the middle down, and I'm coming for the sides now. And we're gonna stick this down. That is, yeah, because I don't like it to go too far over my forehead. So, blow dryer cool, please. My handy dandy thing, and since I don't have free spray, I'm gonna use some spritz today. Tight as shit around my head, like tight. And for I should cut mine so I can cut it, so I can tie it. That's what I'm gonna do, because I never have ever cut this. I really need to get like a real elastic band, y'all. Just stop playing. But I don't know why I do shit like this, and just I don't know. For me, like if it works, I'm not gonna fucking change it. I fix something that's not broke. So this works for me just fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I just cut that. So I'm just gonna tie mine in the back. I feel like I'm tripping with the ball. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my blow dryer again, and I'm gonna blow dry this until it's super duper uber dry. All right, y'all, so I'm a little scared because I use spritz and I don't usually use spritz. Go ahead and cut this off. Please go slow around this part because Alright, honey, part out all these little baby hair, and I'm about to take care of this. I'm about to go ahead and take care of this cast. That's on the hair. It looks like, so that white, like super white cast is like not really there no more. And then once I like put the makeup in the hairline as well, it won't be there anymore. So it's with the eyebrow razor. And honestly, I should have got a new freaking eyebrow razor too as well, because I need this to cut the layers in my hair. I'm gonna cut these out. Cut these out. Cut this one out. So this is not getting warm. So I'm gonna curl these up. Oh, that curled perfectly. I'm gonna curl these up, and I need a smaller. Y'all don't laugh at my flanner either, because I need a better. I didn't have this since high school, honey, as you could tell. So I need a new one. Plus, I need a small one for shit like this, for edges and stuff. But yes, so go ahead and curl. And these are curling so well for it to be like straight synthetic hairs. But yeah, guys, this ain't staying, so I'm gonna have to use my got to be glued for this. These are ones I do all the time. Now I'll take some more glue so this doesn't move anywhere. Really, I prefer to use this because literally these keep your baby hairs down, honey. So good. Okay, so yeah, that's one. Bitch. Hello. So I'm gonna fix that. But bitch, tell me this don't. Ooh, who shit is synthetic? Who shit is synthetic? Ooh, ha, ha. Like I got my hot comb heating up. Put it down. Boom. Boom. So excited. So excited. Oh, this is giving real, bitch. I'm so happy with this hair. Yeah. See, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Juicy. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.